Welcome to the AI Toolkit Online. In this video, we'll show you how to seamlessly integrate AI Toolkit with WordPress to streamline your content creation and publishing. So to get started, log into your dashboard and select the WordPress integration feature, which is down here at the bottom. Actually, it's just integration at this point. So we do plan to add additional integration features in a couple of months as we finish out the bug work, including, I believe, with LinkedIn and possibly Twitter, although Twitter just recently came out with an API change. So to get started, just log into your dashboard, select the WordPress integration feature. This tool connects your AI toolkit to your WordPress site for efficient content management. You can only connect one website at this time. So as you can see, this is the domain name for Olympia Point. Input the login password to Olympia Point or your website domain and the username. Hit save. Now, that's the first part. Second part is you need to go to your website to the to the control panel and go to plugins. And in the plugins section, you want to download just a second here. You want to download WordPress. Here we go. WordPress REST API authentication from the WordPress plugin store. So once you do that, you activate it, then go to Mini Orange API authentication. From here, you will want to make sure that JWT authentication is checked. At the beginning, it will not be checked, and you have to go through just essentially a next, next, next. So username and password, I didn't have to change anything aside from just going through and hitting finish. When you hit finish, it takes you back and puts a green check mark for JWT authentication. And what this does is it allows AI Toolkit to be able to communicate through the login for your website and be able to post content. The other thing that you need to do while you're in your website is to go to settings and then permalinks. So permalinks, in order for this to work, has to be listed as post name. Most websites are now anyway, but it just has to be done in order for WordPress integration to work. If you don't, if you have it any other way, a custom structure, maybe numeric, it doesn't happen very much anymore, but the post name actually has to be the one selected. Another factor before we actually move in and show you how to do this is that two-factor authentication has to be disabled in order for this to work. So if you're using 2FA, then you can't use the WordPress feature at this time. So all that being said, go back to your AI Toolkit online and let's go to your documents section. Let's pick a workbook. Let's see. Introduction to the rapidly evolving. Okay. This was, I think, a speech to text, and we would go through and we would modify this. Add some, maybe add an image if we wanted to. Just get it ready for posting. You'll see that there is something a little different now. So as before, there was simply share or open with AI editor. Now there's a publish button. When you hit WordPress, it connects to your WordPress. Now you can share to WordPress. You can also make some changes. You can make the comment status, make it open or closed so that people can either comment on it or you leave it closed for comments. You can make it public. You can make the post private. You could also assign it categories, which it already figured out. You can assign it a category, a tag, the publish date. You can add an image. That will be your featured image on the page if you want, and then click share. And then once you click share, let's go to the page. It should show up right here. So here's your new workbook. So it gets posted as the most current post. So that's it. That is your AI integration with WordPress, and be on the lookout for additional integration features as we move forward.